used to run into a lot of issues with heat soaking on willow springs, and we just put the car through a torture test after installing an intercooler and some charge pipes, along with a whole bunch of other modifications, but survived. Third gear all the way through the course, no shifting past the third, just kept redlining and letting it bounce, and not one time did she heat soak. Right now it's about 80 degrees, like any other track day where we had a lot of heat soaking issues, and did just fine. So I don't know if you could tell, I'll post some pictures, but the intercooler is right here in the car. Full charge pipe kit from ECS. It's called the Roof Technic front mount intercooler, and drop a link below.